Okay, so I realized that filming it might be more effective. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to draw the diagram. Oh god, this is hard. Okay, I'm not using a ruler, sorry. So pretend this is building 1. The pen doesn't work. Okay. So pretend that, oh god, my hand's too big, okay. Pretend this is building 1, okay, so like I did last time, I just put a random point. So pretend this is the person, right, looking at the second building. So I just draw a random length, right, and I label this as 13.9 meters, right? Okay, so angle of elevation, like we learned last time, if there's a person here and your flagpole is like here, then your angle of elevation is, if you draw a straight line here, this angle, right? So then angle of depression is, like if you were looking down at something, so that was supposed to be a cliff, right? It's actually this angle, right? Oh my god, why am I treating you as if you're stupid? Sorry. Okay, so for this, your angle of, so I draw this because you're looking up and down, right? So your angle of elevation, if you draw a dotted line here, this is your angle of elevation, which was, sorry, I forget the value. Give me a sec. Uh, 39.7, right? So I think that was the angle of elevation. So, oh, I think I made the diagram too small. This is 39.7 degrees. So the bottom one was 41.9, right? Yeah. So this is 41.9. And so this is your ground. So basically using, and then I just drew another dotted line here because I just drew a dotted line here. So if you see, this is a Z pattern. So that means that this angle is equal to this angle. So this angle is also 39.7, meaning that this angle here is 90 minus 39.7, which is, let me use my mental math skills, 50.3? Okay, never mind. Maybe these values are wrong, because that doesn't sound like what I calculated. But anyways, so yeah, I found out this angle. You know this is a 90 degree here. And you know that this is also a 90 degree on the other side. So you know all the angles of this like half, right, like this right triangle. And on the bottom, you can figure out this angle. What I did was, even though this is like kind of like a Z pattern, it's a backward Z, I wasn't completely sure if it worked like that. So basically, you know this is 9 degrees, I take 180 minus 41.9, and you get this angle, which is 48.1. Now that sounds right. Okay, so this is 48.1 degrees, this angle. And so basically what I did was I found this kind of this midpoint, like the height of the big triangle that it forms with the building. So I found the height of that, and I think I did it like, because this side is 13. Oh, sorry, not the first building. Sorry, I drew this diagram wrong. I'm sorry. It's up to the window, so this is 13.9. So if you made that line across, this side's also 13.9. So the bottom triangle, this side length of the bottom right triangle is also 13.9. So since you have one side length in this, using, I think that's opposite adjacent, so using tan, I can find the length of this side. And once I find the length of this side, I can use this angle, so this is opposite, this is adjacent, and use tan to find the length of this side, and add the value of that with that, and then you have the height of the building. Oh, I'm sorry this was so blurry.